Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate a non-root user with sudo on VPS step by step clearly. To activate a non-root user with sudo on your VPS, start by connecting to your VPS using SSH. Use your terminal or command prompt to initiate the connection. Enter the command SSH username at your _VPS_IP_ address. Replace username with your current user and your _VPS_IP_ address with your server's address. Once logged in, verify your current user by typing Huami. If you see the username you want to enable with sudo privileges, proceed to the next step. If not, log in as the root user or a user with sudo privileges. Now, update your package list by running sudo apt update. This ensures that you have the latest information about available packages. Next, create a new user if you haven't done so yet by executing sudo add user new_username. Replace new_username with the desired username for your non-root user. Follow the prompts to set a password and provide user information. Once the user has been created, grant sudo privileges by adding the user to the sudo group. Use the command sudo usermod ag sudo new_username. This allows the user to execute commands with elevated privileges. To confirm the user is part of the sudo group, type group's new_username. You should see sudo listed among the groups. Next, switch to the new user account by typing sudo new_username. To test the sudo access, try executing sudo Huami. If everything is set up correctly, it should return root. Finally, log out of the VPS and log back in as the new user to verify access. Your non-root user is now successfully activated with sudo privileges on your VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.